In this video, you will learn how to add Snapchat link in Instagram story. So if you want to share Snapchat link in Instagram story, first of all, go and open the Snapchat and copy the link you want to share. So after you open up your Snapchat like this now, tap on your profile at the top. Now tap on this share button. Just go ahead and copy the link. Here is it, copy link. Now I copy the link of my Snapchat. All you have to do now, go to your Chrome browser or any browser and search for link shortener. Just go and search for link shortener like this. After you search for link shortener like this, you'll be able to see different websites. Just go ahead and just choose the one that you want. Just choose the first one. After you open the first one, now paste in your link in this session. Tap on this short link. Now scroll to down and copy your link. Here is it now, copy. After you copy the link, now go back and open up your Instagram. After you open the Instagram like this, now tap on your profile. From your profile, all you have to do now, go ahead now and tap on this plus button to upload a story. Go to story section. So from this section now, you can go ahead and search for a picture or a video from your gallery, or you can just scroll, you can just go ahead and just take a picture. So I'll just take one picture and use it. So from this section now, tap on this icon. So now go and search for link. After you type link, here is it now, select link. Now paste in your link in this section. Now tap on this done button. Now here is my link. Now you can go ahead now and share your story on your Instagram. That's it guys on how to share Snapchat link on Instagram story. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.